To change the airflow on a Panasonic Whisper Choice Auto bathroom exhaust fan, you need to access and set the internal CFM selector. Start by turning power off at the circuit breaker and confirm the fan is dead to the touch before you begin. Remove the grille by gently pulling down on the frame edges and squeeze the spring clips to release the fan module if required. With the module lowered or removed, locate the small plastic slide switch on the side of the fan motor housing labeled for airflow. This model offers an 80 cubic feet per minute setting and a 110 cubic feet per minute setting. Slide to the desired position firmly until it clicks, and ensure the switch is not between positions, which can cause improper operation. Reinstall the fan module and grille, restore power, and run the fan to verify sound and suction match expectations. For a quick qualitative check, hold a tissue near the grille to see consistent adherence and release. For a more precise check, use an anemometer at the grille and calculate cubic feet per minute by multiplying average air velocity by grille area in square feet. Common issues include failing to cut power before service, which risks electrical shock, so always switch and test power off, and use a non-contact tester if available to confirm. Another common problem is mispositioning the slide switch, so the fan runs between settings, causing noise or reduced performance. Remove the module and reseat the switch fully into the clearly labeled 80 cubic feet per minute or 110 cubic feet per minute detent. A third issue is assuming higher CFM is always better, which can create unnecessary energy use and excess draft in small bathrooms. Choose the 80 cubic feet per minute for smaller rooms and 110 cubic feet per minute for larger spaces, and run only as long as needed after showers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project examples and reviews to help decide which airflow or ventilation upgrades make sense. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange installation tips, recommend tools, and share real-world experiences.